In light of what has been reported about a possible decision on Roe v. Wade, you have called for the court to be expanded. How so?
Well, I think the court is now the most unrepresentative body in the United States. It is a socially conservative court that has moved in a partisan direction to enact a partisan agenda. And it's the result of Mitch McConnell withholding a justice when Barack Obama was president, and then forcing through a justice in the waning days before the election with President Trump. As a result, the court is now stacked in the socially conservative way, and I think it needs to be unstacked.
Does the Supreme Court still have integrity as an institution?
I think, sadly, most Americans now view the court, as they should in the wake of this draft opinion, as no longer a conservative legal court, but merely a partisan one. The court has become, sadly, a partisan institution like every other. That was not what the court was intended to be, but it is the result, I think, of these decisions by McConnell and Trump. And the result is that the court is now in a position to force on America a policy regarding abortion that America does not agree with, that puts women's health at risk, and I think is disastrous for the country.
Will House Democrats who have power in your respective branch of government do anything between now and November's elections on the Supreme Court front?
I don't know the answer to that. I know that we will take up legislation to protect Roe versus Wade. I think that's the first order of business. And I have to hope that some of these senators that bought these assurances from these Supreme Court nominees when they were before the Senate under oath that they would respect precedent, having seen those promises betrayed, would support legislation now to codify Roe and do what's necessary to overcome the filibuster to do it.